Kangaroos have a shape that's unlike any other animal, but they're still really fun to draw. I have some tips to help you learn how to draw one just like this. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. For this project, I used a pencil, marker, crayons, drawing paper, and this step-by-step tutorial. You can find a link for it in the description below. Let's get started drawing. Step number 1. I already added center pencil guidelines on my paper. You can also just fold and crease your paper in half too. This half circle shape is going to help us get this kangaroo off to a good start. I'm going to begin by making some dots to plan the size of it. And then when I'm done, I'm going to connect them to make a shape that looks like this. Step number 2. Now the head shape is added just to the right. I'm going to start with dots here too, so you can see how big this is and get it in the right place. Notice that the top of the shape is flat, the back of the head is round, and the bottom with the chin has a little curve to it. Step number 3. The head is attached to the body now with a neck. Make those lines as a kind of smooth curve, and then erase the lines inside when you're done so it looks like it's one continuous shape. Step number 4. This is easy, finishing up the head with 2 ears and an eye. Draw the right ear coming out of the head and the other one on the back side. The eye can just be a little dot. When you're done, be sure to erase the line inside that front ear. Step number 5. Now comes the large back leg of the kangaroo. Start inside the body, draw down and to the right when you get to that foot, and back and up again. When you're done, the line inside the leg gets erased so it looks like the leg is in front of the body. Okay, now the famously strong kangaroo tail is added, and it should line up with the bottom of that foot. Draw it on the bottom of that half circle shape, make it bend to the left with a little rounded tip, and when you're done drawing it, be sure to erase that line inside so it all looks connected too. Step number 6. This is a profile view of the kangaroo, so we can just add one arm that's kind of hanging down. Start it with the shoulder shape on top, make a simple paw, and then this connecting line needs to go away too. Step number 7. All right, our kangaroo needs a background, and I think a simple grass line will work just fine here. Step number 8. You know, a cloud and sun in the sky always add a little bit more color, and I think we have just enough room to add them right here. Step number 9. All right, unless you want to add more details, I'd say this drawing is ready to get traced with a good black marker. And if you've ever drawn with me before, then you know this is the time where I take a minute to erase any pencil lines that I still see. All right, it's finally time to color, and I think we'd all agree that this kangaroo needs to be brown. When it comes to filling in the grass, I'm going to do something a little extra fancy and start by making some grass lines with a medium green crayon. Then when I go back over everything with a light yellow-green crayon, I have some extra color that's popping through. I'll add a little bit of yellow crayon for the sun. When I'm done with the sun, I'm going to take a light gray crayon and color a little bit of a shadow on the bottom of the cloud and on the sides of some of those bumps. The last thing to do is to fill in that sky with a pretty light blue. Hey, it looks like our drawing is all done, and now you can say you know how to draw a kangaroo. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more lessons that have taught millions of kids how to draw, including things like a sloth and a sea turtle. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you keep on drawing.